Welcome to another exciting video series from UpKeep. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder, and today we'll be diving into the fascinating world of machine learning and its pivotal role in predictive maintenance. Get ready to understand how machine learning, a type of artificial intelligence, can empower your computers to learn, make decisions, and predict future outcomes, all without human intervention. You'll also get to learn about the 4 types of machine learning algorithms and their applications in various industries. So stick around, this is going to be intriguing. Let's delve deeper now. What is machine learning? It's a type of artificial intelligence that empowers a computer to take existing data, identify patterns, and draw new conclusions without any human intervention. It's like giving your computer a brain of its own to learn and make decisions. Machine learning algorithms come in 4 flavors. First, we have supervised machine learning algorithms. These guys use existing data sets to predict future events. They're like fortune tellers, using the past to foresee the future and prevent undesired outcomes. Then we have unsupervised machine learning, which uses disorganized data to discover patterns and structures that are yet to be identified. It's like a detective finding clues in a mess of information. We also have semi-supervised algorithms, which are a mix of the first two, handling more unstructured data. They're handy when you have a small set of labeled data that needs some management. Lastly, we have reinforcement algorithms. These learn from their environment using trial and error and choose future actions when they receive positive feedback. Machine learning isn't just a cool concept, it's already being used in various industries. For instance, in healthcare, machine learning algorithms can track a person's health and help medical professionals identify trends in illness and disease. In the oil and gas industry, it can help find new energy sources and predict equipment failure before major spills occur. Even in transportation and fleet management, machine learning is making travel routes more efficient and reducing fleet maintenance costs. Now, if you're thinking of creating a robust machine learning system, you need a quality system to collect and store data. You'll need to understand both basic and advanced algorithms, as well as automation processes. Once you have these in place, you can create models to test your machine learning systems and then scale as needed. Machine learning is a game changer for businesses. It offers more intelligent ways of processing data to predict when an asset will require maintenance. This leads to a more efficient allocation of resources in performing predictive maintenance. Thanks to the emergence of the Internet of Things, everyday objects can now collect and transmit data more easily than ever. The frequency of collecting data points and the number of assets for which data can be collected is no longer limited by human capacity. Machine learning takes predictive maintenance to the next level by applying algorithms and statistical models to available data, allowing more exhaustive methods of predicting failure scenarios. It works by using several learning algorithms that interpret historical data to predict future outcomes. One of the most commonly applied learning methods is through the use of regression models, which use the graphical representation of historical data to predict future outcomes given similar conditions. But is machine learning right for you? Here are some key points to consider. First, do you have the right data to predict specific outcomes? Is your data clean and validated? Do you have enough data points that can be trained to provide useful predictions? Second, which machine learning platform is most applicable to your operations? Third, do you need a dedicated data scientist that can be integrated into your operations? And finally, are you able to share and scale the information from one asset across the whole plant? Now, you might be wondering about the difference between machine learning, AI, and deep learning. Think of it like a bullseye target. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the outer ring, machine learning is the middle ring, and deep learning is the bullseye. AI is when machines strive to perform tasks as a human would. Machine learning is when machines mimic human behavior and learning styles, improving through experience. Deep learning imitates the human brain, involving neural networks. So what are some uses for machine learning and AI in industrial applications? The top 4 uses are streamlining predictive maintenance, boosting company productivity, optimizing overall operations, and increasing your employees' health and safety. Machine learning and AI are revolutionizing industrial applications. They're streamlining predictive maintenance, boosting productivity by freeing employees from repetitive tasks, improving employee health and safety by automating dangerous work, and optimizing overall operations. In conclusion, the power of machine learning and AI in industrial applications is immense and only set to grow in the future. So, if you're not already leveraging these technologies, it might be time to start. Thanks for joining us. We talked about machine learning and its role in predictive maintenance. We've learned about the 4 types of machine learning algorithms, how they're used in various industries, and how they're revolutionizing industrial applications. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about us and our services, visit upkeep.com. Remember, the future of your business could be shaped by machine learning, so don't miss out on leveraging these technologies.